Hello kids, how are you? Good? Today we are going to see the special sounds again, more special sounds. So this week we are going to see all these special sounds again. So let's see them again. Br in bride, B-R, br, br, br. Dr in drum, D-R, dr, dr, dr. Per in pray, P-R, per, per, per. Gr in green, G-R, gr, gr, gr. Sm in smoke, S-M, sm, sm, sm. Sk in scat, S-C, sk, sk, sk. Sk in skate, S-K, sk, sk, sk. Sp in spade, S-P, sp, sp, sp. Cur in crab, C-R, cur, cur, cur. Tw in twins, T-W, tw, tw, tw. Spl in splash, S-P-L, spl, spl, spl. Spur in spring, S-P-R, spur, spur, spur. Skr in scream, S-C-R, skr, skr, skr. Squ in squeak, S-Q-U, squ, squ, squ. Sn in snack, S-N, sn, sn, sn. Sl in sleep, S-L, sl, sl, sl. Stir in stream, S-T-R, stir, stir, stir. And sw in swim, S-W, sw, sw, sw. Okay, so first I'm going to show you three. We're going to see the whole S family, toda a family do S first in this chart, right? So we're going to see first sk, scat, sk, scat, scat the cat. Outras palavras, other words with sk, sk, scuff, scope, scone, scale, scab, scalp. Now you repeat with me, okay? You repeat after me. Scuff, scuff, scope, scope, scone, scone, scale, scale, scab, scab, scalp, scalp. So this was sk, scat. Let's put it here. Scat. Next one. Sk. Mesma coisa. It's the same thing, the same sound. Sk. Só que agora é skate. Sk in skate. Sk in skate. Let's see some other words. Now you repeat after me, okay? Skin, skin. Husk, husk. Skip, skip. Ask, ask. Task, task. Sky, sky. Vocês estão vendo outros special sounds aqui já? Olha lá o I. Sky tem dois special sounds. Sk e o I. Let's put it there too. Let's put it here. Sk in scat, isk in skate. Same sound, different spelling. Now, sm in smoke, sm in smoke. Some other words with sm. Smile, smile. Repeat with me. Smash, smash. Smith, smith. Smoke, smoke. Smell, smell. Smack, smack. Very good. So this was smoke. Now we are going to see, some blends with these special sounds. We're going to see the blends of these special sounds. So let's go. First, sk. Na verdade, todos vão ser sk, né? Só que a gente vai ver primeiro o sk com K. Aqui sempre igual. Sk, sk. Então, sku, sku. Sk, sk. Skol, skol. Ska, ska. Sky, sky. Ice cream. Ski, ski. Ski, ski. Eagle. Scare, scare. Skate, que nem skate. Skate. Ska, ska. Agora, se a gente pegar essa família do sk, desse sk, vai ser o mesmo som, todos iguais. Skew, sk, skull, ska, sky, ski, ski, scare, skate, ska. So they are the same. Now let's do for the sm family. Como que fica esse aqui? Uniform. Smooth. Sm. Small. Small. Smile. Sme. Sme. Smeh. Smay. Sma. All right. So we have scat, skate, smoke. Como que eu sei que aqui é scat e não skate? One vowel, só uma vogal, som de a. Short sound. Two vowels, cut here, long sound, skate. Esse aqui a gente tira fora. Mesma coisa aqui. Two vowels, cut here, ou open, long sound, smoke. So I will see you later. I hope you're understanding this. Bye bye.